In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a compliance copy email in Hubspot. Setting up a compliance copy email is an important step to ensure your organization stays on top of legal requirements and keeps a clear record of communications. Whether you're managing marketing emails or transactional messages, this feature allows you to automatically send copies of emails to a designated address for compliance and record-keeping purposes. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, head over to Hubspot and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, locate the gear icon in the top navigation bar. This is the settings icon. Click on it to access the settings area, which is where we'll make all the necessary adjustments. Now, over on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu from here. Select the Marketing tab. This tab organizes all the settings related to your marketing tools and campaigns. Once you've clicked on Marketing, look for the email option and click on that. This will take you to the specific settings section where we can configure your email preferences. Within the email settings, locate the subscriptions section. This section is crucial for managing how your emails are handled, including compliance-related settings. Click on Subscriptions to expand the options available. Next, scroll down until you find the Compliance Copy Email section. This is where the magic happens. It's the part of HubSpot that allows you to specify an email address to receive compliance copies of your outgoing emails. Now, configure these settings by entering the email address where you want these copies to be sent. For example, this could be a dedicated compliance officer's email or a secure inbox monitored by your legal team. This step is important because it ensures that all compliance copies are sent to the right recipient, providing a reliable record for legal verification or internal auditing. Once you've entered the desired email address, take a moment to review the settings. Double-check that the email address is correct and think about whether these settings align with your organization's compliance policies. It's always a good idea to verify that everything matches your legal and regulatory requirements. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the settings page, and click it. This step ensures that all the adjustments you've made are applied and implemented. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a compliance copy email in HubSpot. This configuration helps ensure that your email communications are properly archived for compliance purposes, giving you peace of mind and helping your organization meet its legal obligations. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.